In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin apps and extensions in Google Admin Console. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your users see the right tools pinned and ready to use in Chrome. Start by signing into your Google Admin Console with an account that has the right admin privileges. From the home page, head to Devices. This is where you manage Chrome across your organization. Next, choose Chrome to open all Chrome management settings. From here, open Apps and Extensions. This section controls which apps and extensions are available to your users and how they behave. Select Users and Browsers. We're working at the user level because pinning and installing extensions are policies that apply when users sign into Chrome. On the left, pick the organizational unit you want to manage. If you're not familiar with organizational units, think of them as folders for different groups, like students, staff, or specific departments. Choosing the right one ensures only the intended people get the app or extension pinned. Look to the bottom right corner and click the plus button. Choose Add from Chrome Web Store. A panel opens so you can find what you need. At the top, switch to the Extensions tab. If you're looking for a Chrome app instead, you can browse the appropriate section, but the flow is the same. Use the search bar to find the exact app or extension by name. Type your query and review the results. This is a good moment to check the publisher, ratings, and requested permissions so you're confident about what you're deploying to users. Click the item you want from the list to highlight it, then click Select. After you select it, the admin console opens its settings for your chosen organizational unit. This is where you set how it's delivered. If pinning is available for that item, you'll see options that let you keep it visible for users, like pinning to the Chrome toolbar for extensions. If you prefer to simply make it available without pinning, you can leave it as user optional. Choose what fits your rollout plan. That's the full path. Admin console, devices, Chrome, apps and extensions, users and browsers, pick the organizational unit, plus button, add from Chrome Web Store, extensions, search, choose, and select. Changes can take a few minutes to apply, and users may need to relaunch Chrome to see the pin. For safer rollouts, consider applying changes to a test organizational unit first, then expanding to the rest of your users once you've confirmed everything looks good.